Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine at home. Students, today date is July 16. D is Friday. Theme 3, a wonderful word. Day 15 at page number 21. Dear students, today we are going to do stir, spur, skr, blends. Read aloud the words in each row. Color the picture with the same beginning blend as the first picture in the row. This is our first row and we will find out the beginning sound. Okay, beginning. Beginning means जो शुरू की साउंड है. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको एक पिक्चर दी गई है. फिर हमने उसका ब्लेंड देखना है कि कौन सा ब्लेंड है. जैसे इसका स्कर है. आफ्टर दैट देयर आर 3 पिक्चर्स. फिर हम उसमें से करेक्ट ब्लेंड फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि कौन से ब्लेंड सेम बिगिनिंग साउंड दे रहा है. आफ्टर दैट वी विल डू कलर ऑन दैट पिक्चर. ओके, ऑल आर रेडी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द पिक्चर, देन रीड द नेम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so identify this picture. This is skit. Read it. Skr, id, skit. Underline the skr. This is the beginning sound. Okay, you have to understand this sound. Skr, id, skit. This is beginning sound. Skr. Next is skr, id, skit. Its beginning sound is skr. Stir, ag, stag. Its beginning sound is stir. Spur or spot. Its beginning sound is spur. This is the skr sound. Where is the other skr sound? Yes, in this skr it skit. So here we will do color. Next picture is skr, ip, skip. Its first beginning sound is skr. Skr, id, skit. Skr. Stir up, stop. Stir. Spur, it, spit. Spur. Which is the sound? Skr. Where is the other skr blend? Where is the other skr beginning sound? Find out. It's skr. Yes. So here we will do color. Look at the next picture. This is stag. Stir, ag, stag. Its first beginning sound is, speak up, stir. Stir or star. Stir. Spur or spot. Spur. Skr, it, skit. Skr. Its first beginning sound is stir, ag, stag. Its first beginning sound is stir. Where is the other stir? Here. Stir or star. Next picture is spin. First beginning sound is spur. Stir and stem. First beginning sound is stir. Stir up, stub. First beginning sound is stir. Spur and span. First beginning sound is spur. Which is this beginning sound? Spur. Where is the other beginning blend? Spur. Where is the spur blend? Yes, it's. Dear students, in the same way you have to identify the pictures, identify the beginning blend. After that you can do this color. Okay beta? See you soon in next class. Bye bye.